welcome or either welcome back to the Leokissez channel. If this is your first time here, I am your girl Kissez, and I just want to thank you all so much for being here watching my videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick review on this hair. So if you want to stay tuned and see what I gotta say about it, you know what to do. So I just finished making this wig, like literally probably I was just cutting on it a while ago. So it's a very fresh wig. I was about to say hair. It's a very fresh wig, and this is Model Model's Glance Braid Natural Deep in 12 inches. So this is the last wig that I made. Okay, you can already see a comparison a tad. Of course, it's a different color. I think this was like 1B27. It's supposed to be 1B2, but this looks darker for some reason. Here lately, I've just been feeling the whole big hair with the, bangs in the front. I don't know what I'm going through, but this is a style that I've been feeling. I think when I saw her, y'all know the singer Her, I really like her hair like that. Not that she kind of wears her hair like this, but she uses different textures. Sometimes it's curled, sometimes it's like wavy. But I like long hair and big hair, and that was Freetress. I actually should have did a review on that hair because I really like that hair, but another video for another day. So getting back to Model Model's hair, this isn't the first time I've used crochet hair by Model Model, but it's been a while, and I found this hair in my closet, like it was stashed at the bottom, and I was like, oh, I got so excited because everybody knows Model Model is just one of those brands you can go to. Like if you want some really good master mix, synthetic, whatever you want to call it, hair, Model Model, they got like the best quality synthetic hair. So I made this wig, and at first, and I'm going to show you a small tutorial because this video was supposed to be a tutorial. I'm showing you how to make a crochet wig, but because I had to do so much tampering with it, I don't know, it just turned out to be this video right here. So with the Freetress hair, it's a little bit knottier, meaning when I did the knot, I only had to loop it one time, one simple little loop, and it was stuck. Like you could pull it and it wasn't moving. This hair, I looped it one time. The texture is a lot softer, so it begins to slide. It was sliding a little bit. So I said, well, I'm going to double knot it. So I did. Now, in the tutorial, the video that I was making, at first, I wasn't doing it that way. I was just more on focusing for that video, like how I installed the hair for the crochet wig and how I, spaced it out. I was trying to focus the video on that, but because I kept running into different obstacles, I was like, okay, we're gonna have to switch it up. So what I done first was, and I'm gonna show you right here, I put knots on it, and I tried to go back and fix it, but the knots were very visible. So when I pull my hair down like this, and you will see it, it was like you could see the knots like all, and I just didn't like it. Like I see a lot of people wear their crochets with on their natural hair or wigs, and they rock the knots. When you have a nappy hair like the Freetress, you could get away with it because that hair is poofier. It's like gonna hide it, but this hair is, like I said, it's more softer. Seems like it's less dense or something. So what I did was go in the top and took all of those out. I ain't even gonna lie, I took them all out and I had some extra hair, and I just went in and pulled the loop through twice, but I used one strand. But if you guys really want to see, I will do another crochet wig because crochet wigs are just very easy. I have a lot more control of the style when I do it myself versus when I just go in and buy a wig that's already pre-made. So if you want to see that, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment below. But other than that, so far I would say this is day number 2 because I did wear it yesterday, but I just like it a whole lot better. I think, you really can't see the knots as much. This is 4 bundles of this. Y'all know there's not a lot of hair coming in these packs, but this is 4 bundles. Let me turn around. Let me show you, sis. I hope it look cute from the back because I ain't even looked at it back there yet. Y'all know this look kind of nappy. This is more like my Bob Marley twist wig. This gives me Bob Marley vibes. Like if my curls begin to dread up. I have been steady cutting on it. I have one of these razor combs, and I have just been trying to cut some of the thickness out. It is very thick. And then of course, when I comb it through with my wide tooth comb, it just becomes really big. And see, now that I'm looking at it on here, I feel like I need to just like take some off. I don't know. But one thing I can say is that the wig will evolve, because when I first did this wig, it was okay. Something about it. But the longer I wore it, the more I guess it started to form to me, or hell, maybe I got used to it. Just being honest, I don't know. But I got a lot of compliments off this hair, and so I wanted to redo it. I did use a different cap. This cap from the last wig has way bigger holes. I feel like I should have used the same net. I don't like this net as much as the other one. I just wanted to give y'all an honest review. I like the hair. The hair is soft. I'm sure it's gonna last for a while, but like I said, this is only day 2, so I will probably come back later on. I say that a lot, but I probably will come back and let y'all know how the wig turned out, because now that I put so much time into it, I'm not just gonna toss it. So, thank y'all so much for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you'd like to see more reviews, because I'm always at the hair store, let me know. Until next time, ow!